So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, this is my first, not first. I have already shared more related English, more videos related English, speaking English and spoken English and action. As I have already told you guys that I'm going to practice, and if you are guys interested to learn spoken English with data analytics, with some skills like data analytics in which you will learn Excel, Power BI, making dashboards, and guys, after learning that, trust me, you are going to growing in or to involved in the world of business, as you will be able to make dashboards, and that's how you will be in demand. After making dashboards, you can explore your journey of career, you can grow in your career, and you will go ahead on business world. You will be able to do something in your life, not something but everything. So if you are interested guys, then keep watching and keep commenting. I am here. I will start also related Power BI. So first I have initiated with Excel and spoken English. That is needed, and one must learn this kind of things. It is very helpful. So guys, if you are new viewers on this channel, then go first watch earlier videos I have already shared and then come. And this is day 3 about tense, related present perfect tense, as I have shared present simple tense, present continuous tense, and this one is present perfect tense. And the structure of this tense is subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. So why we use present perfect tense, do you know guys? No. So let me complete and let me inform you that why we use present perfect. It all about experience, what is going on present. Recently you have completed, not just like means what you have recently, sometimes before, and the result. When you are going to speak about result, experience, and the recently completed work, then you have to speak in present perfect tense like uh, मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ, मैंने खाना खा लिया है चुका है, मीन्स आपने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है और कुछ समय पहले किया है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज हियर, आई हैव eaten food, I have already eaten food, and I have done my work. So that kind of sentence one must use, one should use to show your completed work recently, what you have completed recently. And yeah, so this is the thing one must learn about present perfect tense. And so where one must use has and one must use have, it is always one should keep in their mind that where one should use has and have. When you will see similar subject like he, she, it, then you have to use has. Are you getting guys? When you have to use he, she, it, or any singular name like Ram, Sam, any singular person as a subject, then you have to use has. And when you are going to use with I, we, they, and more than one name like Ram and Sam, for plural you have to use have. So are you getting? For plural subject like I, we, they, more than one names, plural subject, with we should use have. And so how will you make sentence by using has? Subject plus has or have plus verb 3. So keep in your mind that uh, I have done this work, or I have achieved a level. I have achieved मैंने, this is a experience or result that you work hard and you already have achieved something in your past. So about saying result, you can speak like I have achieved some, I have learned, and what is experience, result, what you are going on in present that you have completed recently. So you can use by using has, have, and along with verb 3. I have achieved, ed, with verb ed, achieved. So keep in that mind and try to practice it. And yeah, one thing I will tell you all the learners, that don't think about much to come while communicating about tenses. Yeah, one must learn, you have an idea related tenses. So every times and every day, not every times, every day one must watch videos related grammar like tenses, or learn from books, any vocabulary books. So have an idea related grammars or tenses that will be helpful for while communicating, to make accuracy while communicating. And one thing is there, guys, one must learn or read or listen grammatical videos throughout the day, one video at least, and have a concept of tense. And more important thing, the tips and tricks, guys, keep in your mind that you must learn about tense, but while communicating, don't think about that, about tenses and grammars initially. Just start speaking what is coming in your mind. Keep listening podcast, and keep consuming some English contents that will be very helpful. So guys, keep in their mind, keep in your mind, and start listening at least English content, and listening on grammatical videos that will be helpful for getting accuracy. And start speaking. This is the tips and tricks for everyone. If you are not going to do anything, then just start trying to communicate with people anyhow. Whether you are making mistake, don't think much, because initially or not initially, after intermediate and after having some accent, some level on this language, everyone can make mistakes. So don't think much about that. No one going to judge you. And if you keep thinking, then you are not going to grow in your career or in your speaking language or anything, if you keep doing this kind of things, thinking about others. So don't think about others. Just start speaking. So this is the only way to improve yourself, to get fluency. So guys, keep learning, keep thinking, and keep practicing. Use some app, free app that provide communicating with people. Use that kind of platform to communicate with people. This is the only way to improve. Yeah, and what I have shared already. And what is the negative of present perfect tense? Like when we have to answer with not, then use has and have, subject plus has or have plus not plus verb ed, third verb third, and object. So how can it be? मैंने खाना नहीं खाया है, I have not eaten. And if you going to ask any question in present perfect, then how it can be? So have you eaten? The verb has or have will come in front of subject, and you have to ask like this: have you completed? Has he eaten? So that's how you can make sentences. This video all about present perfect and how you can start your speaking English, tips and tricks. And yeah guys, and if you are interested with to learn some skills like data analytics, Excel, Power BI, then you can also watch, because my second video will be in Excel on Thursday. On Monday and Thursday I keep sharing long videos related spoken English and Excel, and later on I will share also Power BI while practicing. So you can practice also, you can improve yourself also with me. Thank you. Bye bye.